at you with another video. This time we've got the Maxim Defense PDX 556 Milspec upper. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So in the box, let's see here, you get a couple stickers, safety warning information, Ballistol multi-purpose lubricating wipes, one fired 556 cartridge. You do get a Duramag 20-round magazine, which is aluminum. I actually didn't know that the magazine came with it. And let's see here. Let's get to the upper. Like I said, this is a 556 upper receiver. I do have a AR-15 short belt rifle registered lower. Currently, I'm running a 11.5 barreled upper on it, but I wanted a backup upper, and I decided to go with the Maxim Defense. I heard a lot of good things about it. Does come with the Radiant Raptor LT charging handle, Milspec bolt. The upper feels very, very well made and sturdy. It does have the HK height rail with their interlocking system for added rigidity. Milspec bolt carrier group. So let's go ahead and get this installed on the lower. Like I said, I do have a registered SBR 556 lower that this will go in, and it does have the Gen 3 Law Tactical folder attached to it. So let's get everything installed and set up the way I'm gonna run the gun, and we'll be back shortly. All right, YouTube, we got everything put together here. We'll start from the back. We've got the Magpul SLR stock Gen 3 Law Tactical folder. We are running the 20-round Duramag that comes with the upper. We've got the 556 PDX Maxim Defense upper with the hate brake installed. It does come included with a aluminum hand stop. I am running a SIG Romeo 3 red dot. I've had a lot of success with this. I've actually owned this particular one for a couple years and had it on several different weapons. Never had any issues with it. Streamlight TLR1 HL, great light. I've been running Streamlights for a number of years. The upper does have a QD mount on each side. Like I said, the rail, the Picatinny rail, is HK height with their interlocking mechanism for added rigidity. Like I said, this upper is 556. I know a lot of people frown on 556 out of such a short barrel, but this is actually set up for CQB, and as a truck gun, we'll be carrying this in a small backpack occasionally. So I will be utilizing the 20-round magazine just so it can come in and out of the bag pretty easy. But like I said, this is a small, tiny setup. I've heard a lot of good things about Maxim Defense. This is the small package right here. Fits in the bag. You can stuff this somewhere in the car. Like I said, with the hate brake, it does send all of the blast and the sound forward. I'm looking forward to getting this out to the range. But overall, this is a tiny, tiny package. I'm definitely excited about it. I do run my Form 1 in the grip. And I'll also carry additional paperwork inside of a backpack if necessary. But like I said, this is a small, tiny package for up close and personal self-defense or vehicle defense. Hopefully I can get this out to the range within the next couple days and shoot some footage. It does come with the Milspec bolt carrier group and the Radiant Raptor LT charging handle. So tight, mighty package. Thanks for watching the video. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, thanks for watching and God bless.